Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working. In the beginning, before entering settings on your smartphone, you should check cable and charger for damage or compatibility. Next, you can clean charging port with non-metallic tool to prevent damaging the port. Next, let's go to settings of the smartphone. Find battery health and make sure that the battery health is high. Go to charging optimization, try disabling this function to check if fast charging will work. Next, you can perform battery diagnostics. Or update software to fix charging bugs. In the end, make sure to test your smartphone with another fast charger or outlet. Maybe the problem lies in the hardware. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.